Good morning, students. Welcome back your science online classes. In the last class, we did back exercise of lesson 1, that is crop protection and management, and few notes, either 2 or 3 questions I gave you to write. Today also we will continue with the notes. So write on that first one, write a paragraph in your own words. First paragraph is about preparation of soil. It is necessary to prepare soil before growing a crop, full stop. It involves turning and loosening the soil, full stop. This allows the roots to penetrate deep in the soil, full stop. This loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they are deep, full stop. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling, full stop. This is done by using a plow. Then write down the second one, that is sowing. Sowing is the process of putting seeds in the soil, full stop. The tool used traditionally for sowing is funnel in seed, full stop. The seeds are filled into the funnel shape, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends, full stop. Nowadays, seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. These tools sow the seeds uniformly at a proper distance and depth, full stop. Then write on the next one. Next one is weeding. The undesirable plant grown along with the crops are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding, full stop. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light, full stop, thus affecting the growth of crop. Now the next topic is about threshing. The process of separating the grains seed from the chaff is called threshing, full stop. Traditionally, it is done by winnowing, full stop. Nowadays, this is carried out with the help of combined harvester, which is a combination of harvester and a thresher, full stop. So this is about the notes. Now write down the second question. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Write down the answer. Kharif crops need a lot of rainfall, where wheat needs limited quantity of water, are called winter season crops. So when wheat is sown in Kharif crop season, the crops will damage due to heavy rainfall, full stop. Then write on the next question. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Write down the answer. Continuous growing of crop makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients, full stop. To avoid this, a method of crop rotation is adopted which maintains the nutrients of the soil intact, full stop. Yes, write down the next question. What are the big pieces of soil plowed field called? Answer is crumbs, CRUMBS. Yes, then write down the next question. What are weeds? How can we control them? Yes, write down the answer. The undesirable plants in the fields are called weeds, which are to be removed. Otherwise, crops plant may not be get sufficient nutrient, space and light. So they are removed either by manual method or by using weedicides. Full stop. Change the paragraph. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or by cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of khurpi or a harrow. By using weedicides, also we can remove weeds. These weedicides damage only the weeds and do not harm crops. Now the next question. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Yes, write down the answer. The supply of water to crops of different interval is called irrigation. Yes, after that leave one line and write down. Two methods of irrigation help us to use water economically are. That first method you write down, sprinkler system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzle on tops, are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. Full stop. When it is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. Full stop. It gets sprinkled on the crop as it is very useful for sandy soil. Yes. Now the second method, it is a drip system. So under that you write down. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. So it is called drip system. Full stop. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Full stop. The system provides water to plant drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in regions where availability of water is poorer. Yes, here two diagrams are given there. First diagram is about sprinkler system. So this diagram you draw in your copy. First diagram is about the sprinkler system and second diagram is about drip system. So these two diagrams you draw in your copy. Yes, these diagrams you draw on the plain side of your practical copy. So first diagram is the sprinkler system. This one is a sprinkler system. And the second one is a drip system. So these two diagrams you draw in your copy on the plain side. Now in this way we had completed the back exercise question answer. Now I am giving you few extra notes. Yes, first one. What is animal husbandry? Write down the answer. The branch of agriculture which deals, the feeding, caring and breeding of domestic animals are called animal husbandry. Full stop. The second question. Name some weedicides. Answer write down. 2, 4 DPA. Write down in capital letters. DPA. Full form of DPA is dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. And the second one is metachlor. So whatever the notes I had given you today, please note it down in your copy and keeps on learning. Yes, in the next class again I will give you few extra notes. Yes, thank you.